Hi guys, it's Valreen here. So I hope you guys are doing fine. In today's video, I am sharing with you how I make fringed pillows. So I have two panels here in front of me, and what I did was just take one piece of the remnant and basically just fold it in two and then cut the middle here just to make the two panels, then try my best to square the panel up as much as possible. Didn't want to take off too much because it was already pretty small. Then the next step is I got my little measuring gauge here, put it on the end of the panel, just mark off an inch, and I did that right around the panels. Then I got my ruler and connect my dots to make the mark, and this mark is my stitch line. So I am going to start just about less than a third of the way on the one edge here, stitch right around and come in just a little bit on this side. On my sewing machine, I have put my dial to triple stitch. If you don't have triple stitch, you don't have to worry about it too much. Just go ahead and use the single stitch that you have. Now I do have a video on the channel that shows you the best way to go about cutting your pillow, the panels for your pillows, to make sure that they are square. I made this pillow form, and I do have a video there too on the channel that shows you how to make the perfect insert for your pillows. I do have one too that shows you how to stick the insert into your pillow, because there is a way to do it so that it's easier for you. So you can check that video out also. I'll link it. So now the insert is in the pillow. I am just gonna stuff it down here, put the panels together, then I'm gonna pin along the bottom section here. Here's my line for my stitch, and I'm just doing this because the insert is so bulky and I don't want it to get in the way when I'm stitching. Here it goes. We're just gonna finish stitching off the pillow. There we go. That's it, my friends. 4 fringed pillows later, I'm done with this project. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos, subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button, and remember to hit the notification bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now. I'll see you in the next video.